Right, I've ordered a little kit from SOTAbeams called a click to tune, so to use on an Icom, but in this case it'll be on the 7300. So when you want to tune an amplifier, which I will, or an external tuning, just hold the button down while you're tuning. As soon as you let go of the button, it stops the tuning. I think it does 10 watts or something, the radio does, for tune. Now I've used one of these in the past. I used to use Army 706, and that'll just, you press the button and I think it does a 10-second tone for tune, but then I don't think you can repress it, so it's like for a while anyway, so you're limited to 10 seconds, whereas with this click to tune you just press it and then as soon as you're done you let go and it like stops transmitting. So that's what you get in the pack. It comes in this little bag here, so I'm going to build it up and then show you when it's built. I'm not going to do a video of me building it, I don't bore you with that and then embarrass myself and my poor soldering. So yeah, well, I'll build it up and then go from there. Right, so it's all built up now. I'm not sure how long it took me because I had to answer the phone, then someone knocked on the door, so I've no idea how long it took. But the instructions are really good, very good instructions online, pictures, you can't go wrong really. Nice simple circuit. I've just yet to put on the heat shrink and the little pad on the back, so yeah, so there's my dodgy soldering. Won't win no awards, but it'll do the job. And the plug as well. I've got to slide the heat shrink up there yet and put it on, but I'm not going to do it. Just want to test it first, make sure it works. Hopefully it should. So I'll plug it in now. Right, so it's all plugged in now and it seems to be working. So what shall we do? Right, so if we go to the Icom 1000 I want it for, so if I just go to that, have a look at, we'll see what power it's. So if you just press the button on here, you can either tone there, and it'll just, as soon as you let go of it, it'll let you do it as many times as you want. Whereas with that other little circuit I got, this one here, I think it's 10 seconds or something, and you can't, I don't think you can stop it or when it's doing it. So if we have a look on there now, so it says 5 watts on there, forward power, so let's see if that's enough to put this on. And go back to there, let's see. Oh, there we go, yep, so quite happy with that, enough power there to tune it up. The difficult thing is holding the phone, pressing this and moving that, but get the idea. So yeah, happy with that, really good, clear, simple instructions, nice simple circuit, you know, can't fault you whatsoever. So yeah, very happy with that. So it's from SOTAbeams, cost £10 and it was £2 delivery in the UK. This is December 2021 now, so can't fault that.